Hello and welcome to your favorite English learning podcast, a place where beginners feel confident and comfortable. This is episode in our basic conversation series. Today's topic is very important: how to introduce yourself in English. Whether you're meeting a new friend, joining a class, or starting a job, knowing how to introduce yourself is the first step in building communication skills. In this full episode, you'll learn how to say hello and goodbye, tell your name, age, and where you're from, talk about your job or school, ask simple questions, understand beginner dialogues, improve your pronunciation, practice with exercises, and much more. Let's begin with greetings. We use greetings to start conversations. Here are some common ways to say hello. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. When meeting someone new, you can say hello, my name is David. Hi, I'm Emma. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is... Asking someone's name. To ask someone's name, say, what is your name? What's your name? Example conversation. Hi, what's your name? B. My name is Sarah. What about you? A. I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. B. Nice to meet you too. Practice time. My name is Sarah. I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Use these phrases. Where are you from? I'm from Turkey. I come from Brazil. Yeah. Jack, where are you from? Hey? I'm from Japan. And you? Jack, I'm from Italy. How old are you? To ask. How old are you? To answer. I'm 18 years old. I'm 25. Example. Henry, how old are you? Isaac, I'm 22. You? Henry, I'm 19. Talking about your job or school. To ask, what do you do? To answer, I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in a hospital. Example, Sam, what do you do? Lena, I'm a doctor. And you? Sam, I'm a student. Full introduction example. Let's try a full introduction. Hello, my name is Omar. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Egypt. I'm a university student. Nice to meet you. Now you try. Begin a conversation. Liam and Nina. Let's listen to a full conversation. Liam. Hello, my name is Liam. What's your name? Nina. Hi, I'm Nina. Nice to meet you. Liam. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Nina? Nina. I'm from Poland. What about you? Liam. I'm from Canada. Nina. How old are you? Liam. I'm 23 years old. And you? Nina. I'm 20. What do you do? Liam. I work in a bookstore. Nina. That's cool. I'm a university student. Liam. Great. What do you study? Nina. I study English literature. Liam. That's interesting. Do you like it? Nina. Yes, I really do. Liam. Nice. Well, I have to go now. Nina. Okay, see you later. Liam. Bye. Vocabulary and meaning, name, what people call you, from your country or city, age, how old you are, student, a person who studies, teacher, a person who teaches, work, your job. Nice to meet you. A polite greeting when meeting someone. Repeat and practice slowly. My name is Sarah. I'm from India. I'm 18 years old. I'm a student. Nice to meet you. Now a bit faster. My name is Sarah. I'm from India. I'm 18 years old. I'm a student. Nice to meet you. Short story. Alex and Mia. Alex is a new student. It's his first day at school. He sees another student sitting alone. Alex says, hello, my name is Alex. What's your name? The other student replies, hi, I'm Mia. Nice to meet you, Mia. Where are you from? I'm from Korea. What about you? I'm from Argentina. This is my first day here. Mine too. They smile and start talking. Now they are friends. Moral: a smile and a simple hello can begin a great friendship. Cultural tips: in some cultures, people shake hands. In others, they bow or wave. It's okay to make small mistakes. People will still understand you. Be polite, smile, and use the person's name when possible. Final practice, let's say it together, slowly. Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm 25 years old. I'm from France. I work as a chef. Nice to meet you. Now you try. Did a great job. In this lesson, we practiced greetings and introductions, asking and answering basic questions, vocabulary and pronunciation, listening to dialogues and stories, speaking practice. Come back and repeat this episode often. Repetition is the key to learning. Remember, every big journey starts with a small hello. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow our podcast. For more long, beginner-friendly English lessons, goodbye and see you next time.